Hey guys, Max here, and let me ask you something. What if you could work half as much but achieve twice as much? Sounds impossible. Well, buckle up, because today I'm unveiling 5 powerful AI automation hacks that will boost your productivity to insane levels without you even breaking a sweat. Let's kick things off with automation hack number 1, email management. How many hours a day do you spend sifting through emails, responding to similar questions, and managing appointments? What if I told you an AI could handle all of that for you effortlessly? That's right. AI-powered email assistants can automatically reply to common queries, sort your inbox, and even schedule meetings. But here's the twist. One specific tool I'll reveal shortly even mimics your personal tone and style perfectly, so no one can tell it's not you typing. Curious how it works? Stick around. Now jumping straight to hack number 2, content creation. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or run your own business, regularly generating fresh content can be exhausting and overwhelming. But guess what? You don't have to do it all yourself anymore. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can produce high-quality blog posts, scripts, or even product descriptions that not only sound incredibly human but are optimized for SEO too. Imagine getting a week's worth of high-quality content ready in just minutes, freeing up hours to focus on bigger things. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But wait until you see what's coming next. Speaking of what's next, hack number 3 might just blow your mind: social media automation. Let's be honest, maintaining a constant social media presence can feel like a full-time job, but with advanced AI schedulers like Buffer or Hootsuite, you can automate posts across all platforms effortlessly. But here's the kicker. Modern AI tools don't just schedule your posts. They analyze trends, determine the perfect timing for maximum engagement, and even suggest the best hashtags to amplify your reach. Basically, they handle all the social media heavy lifting, and you reap the rewards. Can it really be that easy? I'll show you exactly how in just a bit. Now, productivity hack number 4 takes it a step further: task management and project coordination. Ever feel like you're drowning in endless task lists and project updates? AI-powered project management tools like Trello's Automation Assistant or ClickUp's Smart Task Delegation can literally handle project tracking and team coordination for you. Here's the best part. These AIs actually predict deadlines, flag potential bottlenecks, and automatically delegate tasks to team members based on their availability and skill set. Imagine never worrying about missed deadlines or forgotten tasks again. Seems almost too good to be true, right? Well, wait until you hear hack number 5. And speaking of number 5, financial automation. Let's face it, managing finances and tracking expenses manually can drain both your energy and your sanity. But now, with tools like QuickBooks and AI-driven budgeting apps, every single financial detail, from invoicing and payments to tax deductions, is handled automatically. These apps learn your financial habits, categorize your spending, and even alert you to savings opportunities you might otherwise miss. Sounds incredibly convenient, doesn't it? And the savings can be staggering. By now, you're probably wondering about the practical details. How do you actually get started with each of these hacks? What's the setup process, and how long does it really take? And most importantly, are these AI solutions accessible and affordable for everyday users? Well, don't worry, because I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to set each of these up with minimal effort. But before we dive into those juicy setup details, here's something I want you to think about. What would your day look like if all these repetitive tasks and time-consuming chores vanished overnight? What could you achieve with all those extra hours? Would you spend more time with family, work on your passion projects, or simply relax and enjoy life a bit more? Imagine the possibilities, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to turn that dream into a reality. But here's where things get really interesting. There's one specific AI tool that's quickly emerging as a secret weapon among top productivity experts. It's incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly simple to set up, and it's changing the way people work forever. Curious to know which tool I'm talking about? You won't believe how game-changing this one actually is, but I'll reveal everything in just a moment. So far, we've covered email automation, content creation, social media scheduling, project management, and financial tracking. All key areas where AI automation can massively boost your productivity. But what about the pitfalls and potential problems? Are there any downsides or risks you should be aware of? You might be surprised to hear the answer, but we'll get to that soon. Before we dive deeper into the exact steps and tools to implement these hacks, there's a crucial tip I absolutely need to share. Missing this step could cost you valuable time and potentially set you back weeks or even months. Wondering what this critical productivity secret is? Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Now, let's dive straight into the specifics of setting up these powerful AI automation hacks. Remember that ultra-effective email management hack I mentioned earlier? Here's exactly how you can put it into action right now. Tools like Superhuman and Mail Butler offer effortless integration with your inbox. Just connect your account, set basic rules, and the AI will quickly learn your style, preferences, and most frequent responses. Imagine never having to write repetitive emails or manually sorting your inbox again. Talk about productivity on steroids. But wait until you see how simple it is to automate content creation. For automating your content creation, here's a straightforward and super fast approach. Sign up for platforms like Jasper or ChatGPT. Start by entering your topic and desired tone, whether casual, professional, or even witty. Within seconds, you'll have high-quality drafts ready to be polished and published. Think about how much you could scale your business if creating blogs, articles, or scripts only took minutes instead of hours. Impressive, right? Now remember when I mentioned social media automation tools and their surprising abilities? Let's break that down quickly. To leverage social media automation effectively, check out tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later. Setting them up is incredibly intuitive. Connect your social accounts, create or import your posts, and then schedule or let the AI optimize posting times based on user engagement data. Even hashtags and captions are auto-generated and optimized for you. But here's something even cooler. The AI actually predicts which content will perform best, maximizing your visibility with zero extra effort. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Okay, moving swiftly to Hack 4, automated task management and project coordination. Apps like ClickUp and Trello automate not just task lists, but also intelligently assign tasks to team members. Here's what you do. Log into your chosen tool, input your tasks, deadlines, and team details. The AI then takes over, delegating tasks based on availability and expertise, sending automatic reminders and updating task statuses in real time. Imagine having your own personal project manager 24/7 without actually hiring anyone. That's a productivity boost unlike any other. Finally, financial automation couldn't be simpler. With apps like QuickBooks or Mint, you link your bank accounts and payment methods, and the AI instantly organizes your finances, categorizes transactions, and identifies potential savings. Taxes, expenses, invoices, all handled effortlessly and automatically. Just a few clicks and you'll never stress over manual financial management again. Think of all the peace of mind you'll gain. Now that's a priceless productivity hack. But I promised earlier I'd share one specific AI tool that's emerging as a secret weapon among productivity pros, didn't I? Well, here it is, Zapier. This simple yet incredibly powerful tool integrates thousands of apps seamlessly, automating entire workflows effortlessly. Imagine linking your email to your task manager, content creation apps, financial tools, and social media, all synchronized and automated to perfection. Set it once and watch your entire workday flow smoothly. No exaggeration, Zapier alone can redefine how productive you can truly be. Now, as amazing as all these automation hacks are, there's an important pitfall you must avoid. Here's the thing. Over-reliance on automation without proper oversight can lead to unexpected errors or overlooked details. How do you ensure your automation stays flawless and dependable? Simple. Schedule regular quick check-ins to monitor these automations. Think 5 minutes each day. By doing this, you keep everything running smoothly without losing the incredible time-saving benefits. It's a small price to pay for massive productivity. All right, we've covered incredible tools, practical setups, and even a potential pitfall. But here's the million-dollar question. How much do these tools actually cost, and are they accessible for everyone? Here's the good news. Most of these powerful AI tools offer generous free tiers or affordable monthly plans suitable for individuals and small businesses alike. Budget won't hold you back from achieving your productivity goals, and that's a guarantee. But before we wrap up, let's recap exactly how transformative these hacks can be. If you're drowning in emails, struggling to produce fresh content, or feeling overwhelmed managing projects, automating these tasks will revolutionize your daily routine. Remember, productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about doing more of what truly matters. These AI hacks aren't just about working smarter, they're about reclaiming your time and freedom. Think about your biggest productivity struggle right now. Maybe it's content creation, financial tracking, or endless emails. Which one of these hacks resonated most with you? Or perhaps you've already tried one. What results did you see? I'm genuinely curious, so please let me know down below in the comments. If you found this video helpful and want even more insights to level up your productivity, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to unlocking your ultimate productivity potential with AI automation.